Introducing the Wayland Secure 360 4G, a breakthrough in automotive security. This innovative system utilizes dash cam features while you're driving and activates advanced security sensors when parked. With an amazing single lens, Secure 360 produces a true 360-degree field of view, capturing everything going on inside and outside your vehicle. So here's how it works. Secure 360 actively scans the perimeter of your vehicle using a suite of advanced low-power sensors. When motion or impact is detected, the camera will immediately record video to the micro SD card. High-speed 4G data delivers real-time alerts and live streaming through the Secure 360 mobile app, so you'll see the full story as it unfolds. Automatic uploading of the event video to the cloud keeps evidence secure, even if the camera is stolen or disabled. The Secure 360 is designed for any vehicle and every driver, from the daily commuter, rideshare services, or families with young drivers. With the Secure 360, you can document an accident, locate your car quickly with a GPS map, preserve your driving record, or catch a thief in the act. So even if this happens, you'll have evidence to provide authorities and your insurance company. Protect your vehicle with the Wayland Secure 360.
Here is the VETOMILE Dash Cam, and this is what happens when you don't use it.
Lady, what are you doing?
What am I doing? You just backed up into me.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you did.
Prove it.
Did anybody see this?
Did you know that a car accident happens every 3 minutes, every day? Which is why we built the VETOMILE Dash, a dash camera designed for drivers everywhere.
Whether your car is on or off, the VETOMILE Dash is there to protect.
Hello, ma'am. I saw you were on the phone.
Oh, no, I wasn't on the phone.
Can you prove it?
It's always recording when you're driving. Automatically record any unexpected activity when you're away from the car.
Oh, Milk does.
Swivel it 360 degrees to capture every angle and shot with ease. Videos can be captured on the VETOMILE Dash mobile app and uploaded to Facebook or sent via email.
You're bound to witness irresponsible driving. And no matter how careful you are, you can always be affected by another driver's bad decisions. To avoid paying for the actions of irresponsible drivers, you need a device which you can always rely on as a personal eyewitness. The Rexing V1 has been that device, proving itself time and time and time again as a necessary addition to vehicles everywhere. Reliable, intuitive, and immensely powerful, the Rexing V1 offers several exceptional qualities which distinguish it as a top-rated dash cam. The discreet design of the incredibly lightweight body features a low-profile form, making it practically invisible to other drivers. The camera records full HD footage with an immensely wide 170-degree field of view, capturing everything with absolute clarity. Using wide dynamic range technology, the V1 can automatically adapt to any light condition, day or night. Rather than use a standard lithium-ion battery, the Rexing V1 camera is powered by a supercapacitor to guarantee you long-term reliability in even the most extreme temperatures. The camera also features a 2.4-inch LCD screen, which you can use to play back your recordings at any time. And sharing your footage has never been easier, thanks to the camera's built-in Wi-Fi. The Rexing app interface allows you to quickly and easily transfer your clips directly to your phone or tablet. Document your driving experiences with a personal eyewitness that's always there when you need it. highly functional, and always reliable, the Rexing V1 offers peace of mind to responsible drivers everywhere.
The ThinkWare F800 Pro is the successor to the best-selling F770. It has a slightly smaller design, but more importantly offers the new Ambarella 812 chipset and Sony Starvis sensors on both front and rear cameras. In terms of video quality, the nighttime footage on rural roads or through a darker tint is noticeably better on the F800 Pro. We like the F800 Pro's improved parking mode with Super Night Vision 2.0, better memory partitioning, and helpful event alert when switching into continuous mode. The Wi-Fi connection is stronger and the overall app user experience has also improved. In addition, the ADAS features such as lane departure warning and red light camera alerts actually work as expected.
Red light camera in 200 meters.
The capacitor-based power supply has no issues working in hotter climates, and the track record for reliability of the ThinkWare devices has been exceptional over the 2 years we've carried them. This brand new system offers the best combination of video quality, parking mode features, and user-friendly interface currently available. We'd recommend the ThinkWare F800 Pro to anyone looking for the best 2-channel parking mode dashcam setup.